Let's talk a little bit about friendships and people that are in your life, the people that you meet, that sometimes they hold you back and they keep you from bettering yourself, they keep you from being a better person, and they hold you back from learning more about yourself and discovering who you are. And it's usually the people that show up when they need something, or they show up when they suddenly want something from you. And they're not true friends. They're not really someone that cares much about who you are, what you're doing. And if you just take those people and push them to the side and remove yourself from being associated with people that just want to take things from you, or that just want something to do with you for their own benefit, you will be better off having no friends than having people that pretend to be a friend for their own benefit. Just because they suddenly want something, maybe they want money from you, attention, your time, and they don't value the friendship that you have with them. They only value what they can get out of it from you. And because of that, you're better off removing yourself from that situation and removing yourself from being surrounded by those type of people. And you might often end up alone and you don't really have much of anybody to talk to. But if you can understand yourself and learn about yourself, learn more of what it is that you want out of life, what is valuable to you, if you just turn off everything around you and stop focusing so much on everything that is in the outside world and the opinions of everyone else and the opinions of what everyone thinks you should be, how you should act, who you should talk to. Just focus on understanding yourself, understanding what it is that you enjoy out of life. And then you will discover that there are a lot of things that we hold on to, that we keep in our life, that aren't of any value, that we don't need, or that are just a waste of time. And we think they have meaning, or that they have value, when in fact they really just do not at all. And we only keep those things around because that's what other people think is valuable or that matters. That's what other people tell us is important. That's what we've grown to think our entire life is valuable. That is what we think is the whole meaning of our life. And we go down this path that we think is important. But then as you get older, you then realize that all of that was not true. And the things that really matter to you, you either finally discover when you get older, or you realize that the things that were the most important to you were the things that were in your life when you were younger, that you did not because you wanted attention from others or because you wanted to be popular or any of those reasons. You just did it because it gave a sense of meaning and happiness to you. Something you did for yourself. And if we go through our life surrounding ourselves with people that just want to put us down, or that tell us that we should live a certain way to live how they're living, because maybe the way you live isn't the way that they're living their life, and they see that as a conflict in who they are and what they do. And so because of that, they want to change you into who they are, really, a mirror image of who they are. And so then you lose the attachment of who you are. You attach yourself to them, But who are they really? The values they have, is it really about anything more than just being popular, fame, money, attention? Do we spend much time to stop and think about ourselves, or to think much about the fast-paced life of everything going on around us, that how we think we should live? Let's spend some time to think about that. Think about the people that you surround yourself with, and realize that sometimes you're better off alone than being in bad company of people that aren't real friends.